Hello everyone, I'm Abhinav and I head the SMB business at Google Cloud India. I'm thrilled to talk to you about a truly transformative initiative by our partners in collaboration with industry associations called SMBiosis. SMBs are the backbone of our economy. Their innovation and spirit drive growth and create jobs. But we understand that the journey isn't always easy. Working with our Google Cloud partner ecosystem, we want to help you simplify and solve your technology challenges. Our GenAI offerings can help you achieve the edge. Let's see how Google Cloud and its partners help tackle some of these everyday operational concerns. With Google Cloud, inventory management becomes seamless, while customer orders are automatically optimized. And with Gemini powering Google Workspace, seamless, efficient collaboration enhances your team's productivity. And here's where AI comes in, taking it a step further. With AI, your business can anticipate demand more accurately, streamline production, minimize waste, and secure workloads, leading to smarter decisions and reduced operational costs. So whether you run a factory, a retail business, or in healthcare, BFSI, or manufacturing, we have solutions for each one of you. Our Google Cloud partner ecosystem, in collaboration with key industry associations across the country, bring to you tailored tools and resources via SMBiosis. Join us at the SMBiosis Roadshow coming to your city. This is your chance to connect, learn, and see how Google Cloud fits into your business. Together, we'll ensure GenAI is not just a buzzword, but a real ally in your journey. Stay tuned for more details on how we can make technology work for you. We look forward to meeting you in Pune on the 23rd of October.